Today's story is A Home for Leo.
Wolf.
Leo grew up in the sea. It was different from his old life, but he had a family he loved. Leo was happy. He was different from the other creatures, though. He couldn't hold his breath underwater for as long as they could. And he didn't look like anyone else. Sometimes he felt like an empty shell. One day he met a creature who looked like him.
Hi there, Wolf.
And everything changed. Leo was like a fish out of water. Until his parents recognized him on TV. He recognized them right away.
Daddy? Mama?
Leo was happy again, even if there was a lot to adjust to.
That's silly. Hello, Wolf? No. Oh no! Oh no!
Leo loved his parents and his new life, but he missed his other family and the sea. He longed to play in the waves and sleep under a wide open starry sky. His parents tried to help, but sometimes he still felt a bit like an empty shell. Leo thought about what to do. Nothing made sense. Until something did. Even the cat thought so. Now everyone was happy. Most of all, Leo.